Hello, everybody. I wanted to just say that my daughter Tanvi Khaire was not well and she had a lot of fever. So my husband contacted Seema ji from the NICE team. And सीमा जी ने 3 दिन का डाइट रेकमेंड किया था हमें and which consists of fruit juices and coconut water only. And my daughter attempted entire diet properly, though she's very small, and we cured her fever without any medication at all. So later on it took cold and cough के लिए काफी time, but now she's settled. So thank you so much Seema ji for all your support. You were there always on the call for us. Thank you.